Good morning, student. Today we will learn how to draw the diagram for respiratory system of human being. So let's start. First of all, you have to draw the nasal cavity and oral cavity as well. This was the same as we have done in digestive system. This is glottis. The upper portion is epiglottis. This one is nasal cavity and this is mouth. Afterward, this tube in digestive system we have discussed esophagus. Now this is trachea. Trachea, also called windpipe. This trachea is divided into two. Two bronchus, B-R-O-N-C-H-I, bronchi. And this trachea also contains some rings, that is cartilaginous ring, which prevent the trachea to be collapsed. These are cartilaginous ring. You know, these are C-shaped cartilaginous ring. And now these are two bronchi. Now these bronchus divided into many bronchiole. Primary bronchiole, secondary bronchiole and tertiary bronchiole. So you can divide these like primary, secondary and tertiary bronchioles. And ultimately these bronchiole terminates into alveolar sac or alveoli. These are a small ball-like rounded structure called alveoli, and these all are covered with a covering. This covering is called pleura, P-L-E-U-R-A. This is the left lung, and in the left lung you can see there is a notch, and like that this is the right lung. And the right lung doesn't have any notch. Why the notch is left side? Because here the heart situated. This portion is called mediastinum, and below the lung there is a strong muscle, dome shape, that is called diaphragm. So this is the structure of the lung or respiratory tract, you can say. The two things to keep in mind that in place of food pipe there is a windpipe having the cartilaginous ring. Cartilaginous ring is like this structure, C-shaped structure, which prevent the trachea to be collapsed. When we discuss the respiration, one thing should be kept in mind, that what is the difference between the breathing and the respiration. Actually, breathing is what? Breathing means we take in air. Whether it is CO2, whether it is O2, what type of gases are there? The take in air is called breathing, and take out. So breathing means ventilation. We take in air, we exit out air. We intake, inhale, we exhale. So inhalation and exhalation is called breathing. Breathing is the ventilation. Okay, like a ventilation. After breathing, respiration occur. Breathing is physical process. Physical means some muscles are involved in breathing, and there is no enzyme involved in breathing, because breathing is not the reaction. Breathing is the process. So now it is clear that what is breathing. Now come to the respiration. Respiration is what? When air containing oxygen reaches to lungs and where some reaction occur inside the cell. That is cellular respiration. So general respiration is the breathe in and breathe out, and the cellular respiration is the biochemical process where enzymes are also involved. So never confuse with breathing and respiration. Breathing is the external respiration, and internal respiration is the cellular respiration, where exchange of gases CO2 and oxygen takes place inside the lungs. So when we breathe in, that is inhaled the air moves from the nasal cavity. And what happens in the nasal cavity? Let's see.